Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out the items that I've found for this week. So these are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be a really good deal, or items I find interesting would like your guys' input on if you guys have purchased them or if you guys would consider purchasing them. So all of these items will have their own independent link down in the description for you guys, so it's super easy to find them. There will also be two additional links that say tools and tools continued. Those are going to take you to a long list of items that I've went over in the past or other items that I would suggest. So that's all there for you guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. We release these videos every Friday. So first up is one that I don't have personal experience with, but I will here soon because I ordered a set. This is available from multiple different brands, and you can also get them in slightly different designs. But this is a two-piece set, and this is an angle grinder holder or polisher holder. These are great for both polishers and angle grinders. I have a polisher and an angle grinder that are just taking up space in a drawer or underneath my workbench. So I want to get these mounted up on the wall so they're easily accessible, and it saves me space in the other spaces in my garage. So it's very affordable, $13 not on sale. There is a 5% coupon here. And like I said, well, before we get there, you got your little hanger portion here, and then below it is actually little tabs, and that's so you can wrap the cable around it. If it's not a cordless version, you can wrap your cord around there. There you can see the overall dimensions. It's wall mountable, and it's nice that this is a two-piece set, but you can get other size sets as well. Here's a 4-piece set for $20. And then if we just look down here a little bit, like here they have basically the same thing, but slightly different designs. They're made for angle grinders and polishers, and this one is just like an all-in-one multi-holder, whereas I kind of like the individuals because I can place them either above and below each other or space them out, whereas these you kind of have to, I don't have a whole lot of wall space left, so like being able to really put these wherever I want is really handy. And even the ones we're looking at up above, they are available, exact same thing from multiple different brands, but this one just seemed to be priced the best with a decent amount of ratings for a product like this. This has 4.8 stars at 42 ratings. Next up is one that I wanted to mention. My buddy runs in his service cart and has really enjoyed them. I have one on the way. This is the flexible magnetic tool holder. Here are the dimensions right here. So it is almost just shy of 14 inches and 5¼ inches. And you can get this in various different sizes. This is really nice because you can throw it on the lid of your tool cart, and whatever tools you want to hold up there, you can just hold up there. Now it does show in photos people throwing it in their drawer, their toolbox, and laying tools out on it. Honestly, I think that's kind of silly unless you're like working in gravel. Normal organizers are going to work just fine for your tools in there, and that's kind of a waste of this. But I feel like up on the top of a workbench or on the lid of a tool cart or working on a car, this is going to really shine. It's flexible. It's got a ton of strong magnets in it. There you can see them using it in an engine bay. It would help if I showed you guys the full image. Here they see this. I would literally just lay the tools in the toolbox. That's just a little silly. But like here, throw it on the side of the box. You can put whatever you want there. If that's something that, your common things that you're going to be grabbing constantly, I think that's a great use for it. Now, throwing it on the side of the car, I think that's absolutely stupid because it's going to pick up some stuff. And the last thing you want to do is throw that on the side of a vehicle. But on the side of a toolbox, on a tool cart, whatever it may be, I think it's a great little way to keep those common tools that you're going to be constantly grabbing in a nice, neat little area. And this one is at $26. It is available in multiple different sizes. Here, Sunex has one. I'm not sure about that, what the magnets are like. There are multiple other brands out there that have things that are similar. This one just, I know, has really strong magnets and a lot of them. Here's like a larger one at $38. So they're not like super cheap or anything like that, but they are really nice magnetic holders. This one has 4.6 stars at 550 ratings. So here is the Aries 2-in-1 socket bit holder, and I purchased this back at the beginning of 23. So I've literally had this over 2 years now, and it's one of my favorite bit holders. Now the only thing I would change about it is the retention style of the quarter-inch bits, but honestly, I haven't had any issues. I just prefer a different design. This is just kind of pressure, whereas I prefer a magnetic holder. But honestly, I like the versatility of this. I can throw this in my impactor drill, and instead of constantly switching back and forth between different style bit adapters, I can just run this. If I need to run a socket, you pull the sleeve back. You want to run a bit, you slide it forward, and then it just holds your quarter-inch bits. Now they do have multiple different adapters and accessories here, but this is the one that I actually own, and I've had good experiences with it. This has 4.5 stars at 5,177 ratings, and I do believe that's a overall score for all of these products that are linked down here. But still, I've really enjoyed this. Here you can kind of see it a little bit better with the sleeve pulled back, spring-loaded ball bearing, and then pushed forward for the bits and a socket. It's just really nice not having to switch it out. You just slide it forward or pull it back, whatever you need it to do. Super simple, works well, and it's affordable. $11.24, not on sale. I think it's a good one. There are tons of really bad ones out there. Now, there are actually a couple other companies that I've came across in the last week that are starting to release ones just like this. They may include some bits, variations. Went with Aries because, well, at the time, that was the first one I came across that I liked the design and I knew the brand. So that's what I went with, and I'm happy with it. So I figured I'd at least share it with you guys. Last up is the Capri Tools 3-piece ratchet set. This is their 72-tooth design. This is their flex head. And with the 72-tooth design, you're going to get a 5-degree arc swing. This set has been around for quite a while. This is one of Capri's first ratchets that they released many years ago. And they are very reliable ratchets. I know a lot of people that use these in the professional field, and there are tons of reviews out there of people that really enjoy these ratchets. Now, they are just your standard 72 tooth, but they're just reliable, smooth ratchets. Free floating flex head, nice profile to them, nice shape, just a good quality ratchet. $90 for the 3-piece set, down from a list price of $100. I think that's some good savings there. It's got 4.5 stars at 1,546 ratings. You can buy them individually. The 1/2-inch is at $38 at 54 cents, down from $50. The 1/4-inch drive is at $22.88, and the 3/8 drive is at $33.99. But I think for this 3-piece set, just under $90 is a great deal. Now, they do have their new 90-tooth design, and they have it available in non-flex head. They have it available in extra long flex head, as well as just extra long. They also have comfort grips available in these 90-tooth ratchets. So I think they have a really good variety, and I'm glad that when they bumped up to these 90-tooth ratchets and there are different designs in those 90-tooth ratchets, that they still decided to hold on to these 72-tooth ratchets, because they know they're reliable. They know a lot of people have really enjoyed them, and I'm just really happy that they held on to them. So if you ever see these on sale and you're looking for a nice little set, this is definitely one to consider. So that's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, all of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys, plus those 2 additional links that'll take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past. But other than that, if you guys haven't, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.